Several Galaxy S25 series leaks have surfaced in recent months, despite the fact that the phones aren't expected to be released until January 2025. We recently heard speculations regarding the S25 Ultra camera system, and now another source has confirmed the specifications. Since the introduction of a main 200-megapixel camera, Samsung has continuously improved the secondary cameras in the Galaxy S Ultra range. The Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a bigger 50-megapixel periscope camera, but the usual telephoto and ultra-wide cameras remain unchanged. Rumors are flying around regarding planned Galaxy S25 Ultra enhancements. According to leaker Ice Universe, the forthcoming gadget would keep a quad-back camera layout, despite prior reports of a transition to a triple camera system. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra would include a 200-megapixel primary camera and a 50-megapixel 5x camera, with enhancements expected for the ultra-wide sensor and 3x camera. Specifically, Ice Universe specified a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel 3x shooter. The upgraded 3x camera would be a huge boost from the present 10-megapixel sensor, perhaps enhancing low light and portrait images. The greater megapixel count might also improve hybrid zoom capabilities. In addition, a high-resolution 3x shooter with macro capabilities may offer detailed close-up photos. With a 50-megapixels ultra-wide camera, Samsung's Ultra phone would compete with other high-end camera phones using high-resolution ultra-wide lenses. While some may have anticipated for a more ambitious camera zoom increase, these possible enhancements might certainly boost the Galaxy S25 Ultra's photographic skills. Earlier last month, two leakers stated that the S25 Ultra will have a 50-megapixel variable telephoto camera capable of shooting at 4x or 7x. In other news, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is still a few months away from its expected arrival, so there isn't much information available. However, we do know that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered entirely by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This new chip is expected to deliver greater machine learning capabilities and maybe increase battery management via the use of AI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.